In this video, I will show you how to convert a text timestamp to Excel time like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some text timestamps in this column. Now I want to convert these timestamps to Excel time. Since these are text values, we cannot directly change the date format using the Format Cells option. So I will extract individual hour, minute and second values from the text string. Once I get these values, I will use the Excel time function to create a valid Excel time. The time function returns the time based on the specified hour, minute and second values. After getting the valid Excel time, we can use the cell formatting option to format the time in any format we want. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type time followed by an opening bracket. Since the hour number is mentioned as the first two characters of the timestamp string, I will extract it using the left function like this. Type a comma to enter the minute argument of the time function. The minute number is located at the character numbers 4 and 5. So I will use the Excel mid function to extract two characters starting from character 4. Type a comma to enter the seconds argument of the time function. Since the second number is located at character numbers 7 and 8 of the timestamp string, I will extract two characters starting from character number 7 using the mid function like this. Type the closing bracket of the time function and then hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have text timestamp converted to Excel time. If the time values are not displayed properly, select all these cells and then select time as the format from the top menu. The time values should be displayed correctly now. Since we already have valid Excel time values, we can use the cell formatting option to format them. To do that, select all the cells and then press the Ctrl and 1 key on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the type text box and then type HH:MM. Also, make sure to check the preview section. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have the time in HH:MM format. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.